Hello my pretties. So my reason for making this video, I get a lot of comments with things like, Tom, I wish I could do music like you do or prepare healthy food like you do and take the time to do this and that, but I just don't have the time. The struggle is real. I'm not saying it's not. But I got involved in a side hustle some years ago. A really cool little side hustle, a side gig with residual money and health and wellness, and it opened up my time so that I could spend all the time that you see me spending on my passions, like creating all this music, travel, more time to prepare super healthy food and whatever else I want to do. So if you want to see the side hustle, let me know. I'll send it to you. You can see if it speaks to you or not. And no, I'm not sending it over this video or telling you what it is over this video. Make me. So just ask for it. I'll send you a link. You can read it, and if it speaks to you, we'll do it. And if it doesn't, then don't. But that's the whole key ingredient. Get into a side hustle with residual money and then open up that time so you can spend it doing more of the things that you want to do. You only get one dash between your birth and death date. So I want to make it the best singular dash I can, and I think most people generally want that as well. So talk to you soon. Bye for now. Mwah.